So you just dug out your old Nintendo Entertainment System. Get your little nostalgic fix for the weekend. Only thing is you hooked it all up. You popped in Mario, Super Mario Brothers 3. You hear the music, brings back memories, puts a smile on your face. Plug in your controller. You remember all the codes, right? You remember the secrets, the boss fights, the tunnels, the warp rooms. Yeah. Only problem is you start to play and suddenly you start realizing that your buttons feel a little bit flat. They don't respond as well as you remember. You know, is it is it you? Is it the game? Is it the controller? You kind of chalk it up that I guess my controller's junk, so you throw it away. Nah, don't don't throw it away. Your problem is right here. After many years of use, and remember these consoles are pushing close to 40 years old now. Inside these little controllers, there's these little rubber silicone contact pads, and they press on the board like this underneath your buttons. And on the underside of these, there's little carbonized pieces. They create a circuit, tells the controller you just press the button. Now, over time, these little rubber pieces, they tear. See? They rip. Not much you can do to fix that other than throw those away. Bring back your controller. You don't need to throw it out. Because thankfully, you can get replacements. Brand new, silicone, not torn, guaranteed to work, just as good as the originals, if not better. This is made of better materials. Super easy to install. Only takes a few minutes. Extra minutes if you want to clean your controller. Good idea considering, again, 40 years old. It's a lot of Cheeto dust. Anyway, you install them. Your board's back together. 6 screws. Controller, just as good as new. Don't throw them away. Fix them. Griffiths fixes.